recording right now. Okay, this is the intro. This is the intro to just kind of what we have on our truck. Right here we got storage compartment, water, pony hoses, rope, nozzles, everything, first aid, blah blah blah, stuff that we need. Here's where we keep our SCBAs. We're gonna add 2 more in there. We have a total of about 6 on the truck. This is the SCBA storage compartments right here. SCBA tank piece, 2 of them. Back here we keep our jaws wide, other tools that we use. There's the air hoses for them or whatever. Back here on this, we keep some of our other rescue stuff. We keep our saw and ventilation fan and power unit to our jaws right here. Other side of the truck we've got generator and breaker box for our stage lights. The generator runs off the fuel truck. 6,000 watts. Tool compartment right here. Not too much to see there. Another SCBA compartment. Got a 14's gear in there right now. So yeah. And if you walk to the side over here, you can see the top mount pump area. It's where we control the flow of water from our truck into the hoses. And this is the inside of the cab. Not much really. That should include our little tour of the truck there. Hope you like it.